Hey everyone, welcome back to Ain't Afraid of No Tech. I am your host Kyle, and we're continuing on with our discussion of Discord today. So we just set up our profile and our new server, and for this video, we're going to show you how to set up your profile and some of your settings and safety parameters. So last time we were working up here in the server settings. This time we're going to go to the bottom of this little side window, and you'll see down on the bottom there's another little gear icon. It says your name and all this down here, and right here is the gear icon. Gear icon always means settings, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that takes us to our user account settings. So the first thing we're going to do up here is we're going to change our avatar, which is going to be the picture that shows whenever we're posting on any server. Now, the picture we did in the last video was the picture for the server. If I go out of here, that's the picture for the server. That's the one that will show in your server list over here to the left. This is the one that's going to show on your profile when you post anything on a server, as you do any text chats or anything like that. This is what is going to show for you. So for now, I am going to just use the same picture that we did. Like I said, in a future video, once we get Discord set up, I'm going to start doing some live streaming, and that's when I'm going to create the art for the channel and create my actual icons. But for now, we're just going to put my ugly mug right there for you. Again, it gives you a chance to crop it. You can just kind of click and drag it where you want it. You can zoom in and out, and whatever's shown in the circle is what's going to be your avatar. Hit apply, and boom, that is set up. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into privacy and safety. Also in here, so your username, you can change your username here if you want to. The 4-digit number behind it will always stay. That is an identifier inside of Discord. You don't need to worry about that. We all have our own 4-digit number. You can't really change that, so you're stuck with it. I'm going to try to change my email because remember, it wouldn't let me. I don't know if that's asking for the email I want to use or. Hold on. Had some bad issues of trying to type and talk at the same time, so I'm going to start pausing while I'm typing from now on. I'm not sure if this is asking. Yeah, enter an email address and your existing password. Let's see what it does here. Yeah, email's already registered, so it's not going to let me change back to my other email yet. You can also add a phone number in here if you want to use two-factor authorization, which is down here. What that means is when you're signing in, it will, like if you're signing in from a browser that it's not used to seeing, it'll ask you if it'll send a text to your phone with a code, and you have to enter that in also. It just adds another step to the login, makes it a little bit more complex, but also harder to hack. So I'll add that in after. You just add your phone number down here and then enable two-factor authorization right here. In fact, it might let me do it. Let me see. I think it might let me do it using my email as the second factor. Oh. Ooh. Looks like you can actually create your own code. Yeah, that's going to ask me to download an outside app. We're not going to turn that on just yet. We'll do that one in a future video. I need to research that one a little bit more. So for now, oh, you can also change your password in here. Just click change password. It'll probably ask you to sign in with your current password and then sign in with a new one. Most experts recommend you change your password every couple months, or just from here to there. If you ever feel like your account has been compromised or you ever get a notification that your account has been compromised, you would just come in here, hit change password. Like I said, it's going to ask for your current password and then it's going to have you type in a new password, probably enter it twice, and that's how you do that. Let's click over here on the left side. Let's go to privacy and safety real quick. Oh, yeah, save changes. So what happened there was when I tried to leave, you notice the screen shook and it popped up a thing down here. Just hit save changes. Okay, let's go to privacy and safety. So you have a couple options here on privacy and safety. This is for your direct messaging. This is when your friends send you stuff. So this is going to be like whether or not you want. Yeah, I think this is. Oh, this is who can. Oh no. Okay, yeah, this is the. So it will scan for viruses and stuff like that. If somebody sends you a direct message, it'll check for bogus links and try to keep you a little safer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Um, yeah, I'll let if I add you as a friend, I'll go ahead and let you send me links. Otherwise, I'm gonna have them scanned. Let's see, what else do we have? Server privacy defaults. This will allow you to uh, receive direct messages from members of your server who are not your friends. Um, so if you turn this off, only people who you add as a friend, people can join your server. Anybody you give your invite to can join your server, but they don't necessarily need to be your friend. That allows you to keep your friends list as just people that are helping you with the channel, just your moderators and stuff like that, and not have everybody on the channel in your friends list making things confusing. So this setting here will allow it so anybody who joins your server, anybody you invite to your server can send you direct messages, or keep it so only people that you trust and add to your friends list can send you direct messages. I want you guys to be able to get a hold of me, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that open. Also, who can add you as a friend? I don't want all of you guys to be able to add me as a friend. Only server members will be able to add me as a friend. And this is if we're playing a game, you guys can join in. Don't forget, Discord was started as a gaming system. So there's going to be a lot of stuff pertaining to gaming. Doesn't necessarily apply to us. I might do a little gaming with you guys, but I want to know when you guys are joining in so that we don't crash a server. So I'm going to turn that off. And allow voice channel participants to join your game. Same thing. And how we use your data. You can go ahead and have them. This setting allows them to use and process the information about how you navigate, blah, blah, blah. This is basically, they're going to collect your info. You can turn that on or off. This is going to allow them to use the data they collected to improve your experience. This is a free service, and I've never really seen ads on Discord. They may switch to an ad program later on. They do have this Discord Nitro up here. I've never really played around in there. I'm not sure what that is. We're going to get to that in a later video. But that is a paid service. And also, there are some games on here that you can buy, stuff like that. And we don't want Discord to be able to read the messages, so we're going to leave that unchecked. And yeah, so Discord is, unlike Facebook and everybody else, Discord is very, very open about what data they are collecting. So you can always click to learn more about anything here if you want to learn more about what these settings do. Also, they will tell you here, this basically just gives you a little bit about why they're collecting data, and you can decide then to disable or delete your account right there from that screen. Also, if you're ever curious about what they're collecting, you can request that they send you all of your personal data and how it works, so that you can see what exactly they have. Also down here on the bottom are the terms of service and the privacy policy. If you're ever worried about what they're collecting and why, you can click through all of that. We're not going to sit here and do that. That would make for it's all legal speak. It would make for very, very boring reading. We're going to click over. Instead, we're going to go up here to Authorized Apps. And, okay, we didn't change anything. Authorized apps. Oh, we're going to skip authorized apps for now. What they mean by authorized apps is basically bots. These are programs that you can use to automate some of the stuff that happens on Discord. We're going to cover that in depth in another video. So let's click on connections. Connections are where you can connect your outside accounts. So if you have Twitter, if you have YouTube, Battle.net is a gaming system. Steam, if you're a gamer, you're probably downloading your games from there. You can hook up to your Reddit account, your Facebook account, Twitter account. Oh, sorry, this isn't Twitter. This is Twitch, which is we will be doing some live streaming on Twitch, so we'll get into that later. You can link your Spotify account if you're on Xbox Live, if you're on GitHub. For now, we're just going to hook up YouTube. And we're going to use the Ain't Afraid of No Tech. And we're going to link it to the channel. And it will tell you what it allows Discord to do. So you can see a list of your current channel members and when they become a member, and you can view your YouTube account. Allows Discord to see all that. And we just click allow. You can read through all that on your own. And now they're linked, and we can display the link to the YouTube channel right there on my profile. Yeah, you can go through and set all these up on your own if you have the accounts. It's just like that on everything. The only other thing to cover here is billing. If you're going to sign up for Discord, if you want to do a server boost, if you want to buy games, then you would go into billing and set up you would add a payment method, add your credit card in there. Probably allows PayPal and all that. If we need to, we'll get into that later. But for right now, I'm not going to add a payment method on here. It's not required. This is a free service. That's why we're learning this instead of Slack, which is the one that you'll probably see in the corporate world. Slack and Discord are pretty much this exact same thing. They were created for the same purpose, but Slack makes you pay for certain features. Discord is completely free. That's why we're learning Discord. Also, if you have any purchases, it would show up in your transaction history here. Other than that, that's all we're going to do for today. Just go ahead and hit that X or hit the escape key. It exits you out of here, takes you back to your screen. And in the next one, I'm going to go into some more of the settings and show you how to set up Discord. How to set up Discord for like your voice and all that. So until then, have a good day, and I'll see you in a little bit.